Sup everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and we're coming at you with another Chime video this time. And of course, we're here to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about how you can find your bank statements inside the Chime app this time. Start off by opening the app up. And once you're here, click the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From here, just scroll down until you see Documents. Click on it and click on where it says Account Statements. Here you'll be able to access the account statements for your Chime Builder account if you have one, your checking account, and also your savings account if you have one, which is pretty good to have. That covers this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you have an interest in Chime and want to sign up for it, you can click the link in the description or the pinned comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you on the next video. And don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.